mother! What is it? Mom, can you buy me NeeDohs? NeeDohs? But you already have 30 of them. Huh? Well, I need more. No, I'm not buying them for you. And I have something to show you. What is that? Please, please. Not that face. Please. But not too many. This is the last time I'm ordering you. Yeah, whatever. Now hurry up. I want the ice cream one, I want the mango one, and I want the peach one. Alright, I'm bringing my credit card. Alright, here is my credit card. Show me. Whoa. It costs $20. I guess it's fine. Finally! Just keep quiet. Your dad is sleeping. Now go and don't disturb me. Alright, I'm trying to do my walk. And why Dad's sleeping? It's 1 in the afternoon. Because he does a lot of work. Alright, now just go and mind your own business. Alright. Sky, did you get the needles? It's not needles, it's NeeDohs. NeeDohs. Yeah, whatever. Now, did you get the NeeDohs? Of course. Yay! Now, come on. Let me just aura farm. Alright, I have 1,000 aura. But you have so many. Can I please borrow one of your apple one? I just want to squish them. No! Please! Alright, only 15 minutes. No, more. Alright, 30 minutes. Now hurry up, and here is it. Alright, thank you so much. And remember, it is not needles, it is NeeDohs. And anyways, can I just keep one of yours because you have so many. You should give one of them to me, you also stole all of my one. Whoa. I'm not giving them to you. I'm a queen of NeeDohs, and my NeeDohs are here. Hello, miss. Thank you. Bye. I need your signature, kid. Signature, kid. Please open the door. I guess it's not worth it. My NeeDohs. You're too much obsessed with NeeDohs, alright? Don't you dare touch my NeeDohs. And I'm just gonna show you them, alright? Or a farm. My ice cream one! Hey, I love it. Can I squish it too? No! Don't even think about it. My mango one and peach one. Can I squish them? No! Alright! These are mine! Calm down. Mom, look at my NeeDohs! Bro, chill. I'm telling Mom after this. Here is your NeeDoh. OMG! You broke my NeeDoh! It exploded! just giving it to you and you didn't even hold it. What's that screaming? Ah! I'm gonna hit you. No slapping your younger sister, Chloe. You know what? I'm taking your NeeDohs. I'm taking them. Mom, I didn't even break it. It exploded by itself and she's blaming me and she's not being nice to me. I'm taking away your NeeDohs. You are too addicted to it. Your NeeDohs. I'm just going to put them on the floor, I guess. My poor NeeDoh babies! Don't put them on the floor and don't take them away from me! It's all your fault! It's all your fault, Sky! It's your fault. Like and subscribe before she kills me. Thanks for watching. Bye.